Hello, Ned. Hello, Dawn.
Hello.
Hello, Dawn. Monica, can I see you a minute?
Certainly.
Don't let Tracy know we're having any problems. Even though she's my sister, she loves to stir up trouble.
Trouble? She loves to start wars.
Just watch it.
The trunks will be coming soon.
Where's my Tracy?
Here I am, Mother. I'm home.
Oh, my darling girl.
I can't tell you, Mother. I'm overwhelmed.
Stand back, darling. Let me see you. Oh, you look simply wonderful.
And I still have the most beautiful mother in the whole wide world. Oh. Ned, precious.
Hello, Mother.
Oh, I think you've grown.
I'm about the same as the last time you saw
Well, it seems like years.
How are you, Tracy? I missed you, sister.
Same as ever. And still married. Monica, still blonde.
Never saw any reason to dye it another color. This is the way it comes.
Yes, you've always said that. Well, Ashton.
Well, Tracy, old girl.
Are those laugh lines or just lines? Well, could we get the trunks in here, please, quickly?
Mother, I'd like you to meet someone. You always hoped that I would meet a nice girl.
Did I say nice or rich?
Nice. Maybe it was a weak moment. Dawn Winthrop, this is my mother. Mom, this is Dawn.
How do you do?
Well, you certainly are a lovely young lady. Who's that?
This is, my wife, Ariel. Ariel, this is, Tracy Quartermain.
My, they get younger and younger. Ned, darling, keep a close grip on your sweet young thing. Oh, it certainly is a pleasure to meet you, although I have heard absolutely nothing about you.
Well, how are you, Tracy? I've heard a lot about you. Larry's just gone on and on and on and on and, and on.
Well, I suppose you know by now that Larry is a terrible liar.
Is he really? I believed everything he said.
Well, not to worry. It's one of his minor vices.
Oh.
Mother? Where's Father?
Oh, he's been down with the flu.
Oh,
But he's coming out of it.
I'd like to see him.
He's looking forward to seeing you, too. Darling, why don't you run up and see him now and then take a nice long rest, because we're having a little reception for you tonight.
Oh, that'll be nice to see old friends.
Oh, we made some new ones, too.
Did you know that Nicholas Van Buren is coming here tonight?
Nicholas Van Buren? I certainly know that name.
Right up your alley.
Actually, I am being very cautious about what alleys I take these days. As we all know, I've taken some wrong ones in the past. Right. I think I'll go upstairs and see Father, and then I will have a little lie down. I want to thank you all for this lovely homecoming. My dear family.
And so it begins.
Daddy, it's Tracy. Daddy, I know you're awake. I heard noises outside the door. Won't you talk to me? I've thought a lot about you over the years. I've had my share of guilt. Daddy, I was so young. I was young and greedy and self-centered, all those things. Daddy, do you know what was behind my sending Ned here? I thought perhaps it might soften you toward me. I heard you were quite taken with him. He's a wonderful boy. I'm very proud of him. And I couldn't bear the thought of his not knowing his grandfather. I guess it was ridiculous of me to think that you might see some good in me through Ned. Oh, Daddy, please. Just take me back into your heart again. What is it? What is it? Do you need something?
I'm just making sure that my heart medication is still where it's supposed to be.
Daddy, will you tear up this will? If I give him to you, will you tear up the will?
I won't.
Daddy, come on, here it is. It's right here. Just tear it up.
I can't. I won't.
Daddy, I'll do it for you.
No. Oh, God's sake, help me, Tracy.
Oh, my God.
I see you remember. You remember when I pretended to have my heart attack. And you withheld my medication from me.
Daddy, won't you please forgive me? Please forgive me. Daddy, don't you know I never could have let you die. Never.